the last step, sealing the surface of your painting. Gel is the best sealer for collage. 2 layers are often better than 1, but remember to let it dry in between. So let's watch the video and you'll see how it's done. So here's my painting with a few other samples that you'll see after. The first step is to re-gel the shadows, the watercolor shadows, and then just slowly put a thin layer of gel over the whole surface. If you do 2 layers, be careful. Make sure your first layer is quite dry. What happens is if it's not dry, it starts to make little bumps, and it's not very pretty. And then don't forget to seal the edges too. Sealing it is just to prevent dust and other things that might fall onto the painting. For example, if your best friend drops her whole cup of coffee onto your painting, you won't lose a friend. So gel is wonderful that way. Once you have gel on everything, make sure that it's dry. Or let it dry, I should say. Here's some samples from other projects. Here's a rockscape with a tree, a little bit of a lake there. I used a pen, watercolor. Here's heavy paper, homemade paper. The top is cut off, but what I really want you to see is that handmade paper and how thick it is. It makes great textures. This is a project used for elementary school and much simpler than what you have. And again, the watercolor shadows. And then the final one are inspiration with the sheep. Notice that the sheep have watercolor shadows. Now, do this step and we'll see you for the conclusion.